Very good that you're peeling the orange. You remove the cover. That's not an apple. It's orange. Say orange. Daddy, anong tawag doon sa maliit na orange sa Tagalog?
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi, may sabing mama mo eh. Tawag dyan. Yung maliliit na orange. You want more? Banana. Oh, nakaapat ka na yatang banana. That's enough. Oh, no. Careful. Oh, dance tayo. Pagangnam, oh. Hoo. Dance, Uriel. Dance on the floor. Dance. Hoo. You follow their steps. Orange. Yummy. Yummy, Zuri, honey boy. Yeah, imas, eh?